Once again, let me bring this TRON paying site to your doorstep. Now, from this particular project, all you have to do is to play game, do some recap chat, and at the same time, basically claim some free TRS. Now, so far, I've been able to upgrade my level to either one of the best levels that I can basically go so far for some time, and I claim this amount of TRS every single hour. All right. Now, what I'm going to do is to try my possible best to claim this amount of TRS every hour till 24 hours and see how much it will generate me. Now, you can go as far as the master level, which are going to be making absolutely good amount of money. For 30 TRS, if you know how much 30 TRS basically is right now, you're going to be making some cool amount of money. If you come to your trading session and you head over straight to your spot and you type in TRX, all right, let me show you an easy way to calculate TRS. If you type in TRS under the spot menu, and right here you calculate how much is TRS. So if you type in 30 TRS, that's $10 every hour. All right, that means you're going to be getting $10 every hour. And just imagine you're getting $10 every hour, and you're able to do, like, let's just say about 20. All right, so $10 times 20. Oh, sorry, that's $10 times 2. So $10 times 20, that's about $200 every single day. Now, let me show you guys simple ways you can get to do this or basically upgrade your account. Now, on this particular project, upgrading your account all depends on how much you are making, how many games you are playing, and deposit you're making to your own account. So, for you to basically like level up and start making money on this particular project, you have to play games. You have to constantly play game on this particular project. All right, so for you to be able to get a good amount of TRS from here, you have to be on a higher level. All right, and for you to do this, I'm going to share with you guys easy steps you can easily get to do this for yourself. First of all, let's show you the simple method. Come to your own account and copy out the wallet address. Just make sure to recharge your account with, like, let's go with like 10 TRS. All right, now if you have 10 TRS in your account right over here, what you're going to be doing is for you to be claiming free TRX with that 10 TRS, and then you can come to the game session and play just one simple game. This is the game right over here. So as long as you have your 10 TRS right here, you can be playing this game every one hour, or you can set it to every 2 hours. All right, just to reset the system. So for instance, if you play this game, you're going to leave here 1 hour, then come back again, play again 1 hour, and then come back again. Now I want you all to keep your eyes on this particular level that I'm currently on, the bronze level. I'm going to do this same step, and I'm going to come back and show you guys if I have upgraded myself to the silver or the gold. All right, now this process I'm actually sharing with you guys right now is available, and is one of the easiest way you can basically get to play games or set every single thing for yourself. All you have to do is to set a timer with your mobile phone, and every 1 hour it gets to notify you that you have to play game, and you can come over to your own account and play game. And every single hour, as long as you are playing games, you're making an extra income for yourself. And for you to make extra income for yourself, you are still upgrading your level on this particular project. Take my words for this. This is just by far the easiest way that I've actually used to move myself from the stone level to the iron level, and from the iron level to the bronze level. I'm going to use that to upgrade myself further, and if at any point it works out continuously, I'm still going to update you guys on my next video. All right, so a lot of people say that I use the referral programs to basically generate money majorly on this particular project, but that is absolutely wrong. Now, the main important thing right over here is by your level, all right, and also consistency. Now all you have to do is to play games and also do surveys, and you get gifts. All right, then you can also basically make deposit, which I've actually explained to you guys the process of you depositing. You can deposit as low as 10 TRS into your account, and that works for you. All right, that basically works for you, and you can also get to generate money from that. Now, in case you're wondering how much is 10 TRS, all right, come to the calculator right over here, and 10 shares is about $3.3. So with your $3.3, you can basically get to move your level as fast as anything. All right, and that's basically one thing a lot of people do not know. Just have your timer set up and you're good to go. If you're enjoying this video, remember I'm Christopher, and I'm going to share with you guys more update and also different update which you're going to be using. So stay tuned for more updates like this, and I wish you guys all the best.